Hello again. I hope you all are having a good week. Thank you for your patience. It took me a little bit longer to get around to video posting this week, and I apologize for that. I'll try to be more timely in our coming weeks. So we do have a fast and furious week this week based on how the calendar is running with orientation and everything. So this week you do have reading questions that are due and a full chapter of reading plus a little bit more. And you should also be looking at your Essay 1 assignment and choosing your topic. I've already heard from a few of you about topics, and I'm really excited to read these essays. I'll talk to you a little bit more in the next video about the essay, but as you get started, what I want you to think about with your icon is not just how it is symbolic of the South, but why that is and what that says about the South as a culture. So you don't want to just simply, research the thing. So let's say if you chose Elvis Presley. You don't want to just give me an essay about Elvis Presley. The point here is to look at how he is symbolic of the South and why that is and what that says about Southern culture. This week your reading focuses on the agrarian South. And when we think of agrarian, of course, we immediately think agriculture, and that, of course, is a large part of what an agrarian culture means. But you also need to remember that this goes beyond just farming and this whole set of ideals that go along with the agrarian South. This idea that the land is very important, that farming is an incredibly noble pursuit, that the kind of importance that is placed on those ideas, and also how this has shaped our culture. Your text talks a great deal about the class system, about the sharecropping system that was born of the plantation system after the Civil War. You'll notice that the chapters in this book are pretty dense, interesting I think, but pretty dense. So, it's always a good idea to read ahead when you can. I do have the readings laid out for the semester in our course. As I've mentioned before, I do add some extra resources along the way. I would also refer you to the library's LibGuide for our course. Librarian Samantha O'Connor has put together some really nice resources and research tips. If you're someone who has not taken English 111 or a class where you've had to write essays and do some research, that could be helpful for you. I'm also glad to offer assistance anywhere along the way. Please email me with your questions. I'm grading checkpoints right now, so I will respond to any that you've given me there. And I'm hoping to have all of your grading caught up later today. So that's really all I have for you this week. As you have questions, please let me know. If I see I've graded most of the checkpoints. If I see any more pressing questions, I will certainly come on with another video. Thank you so much for your hard work. I'm looking forward to reading your reading questions tomorrow, and I've enjoyed getting to know you so far with your discussion post in the course. Take care, have a great week, and remember that our work is due tomorrow night. That's Thursday, tomorrow night, the 25th, by 11:59 p.m. Take care.